at Seventh-day Adventist. Just went to Queens and they said that they're closed for the malaria checkup. Came into the emergency and got sent to reception. So we're sitting here in reception and waiting for someone. Anyone.
So I'm not gonna give it up. It's not your choice. It's not for us.
I was thinking about that. Oh, the lights went off while we were waiting. That was exciting.
It's not your love. It's not for us. It's not a sign of
by the doctor to just chill out for a few days on antibiotics, and then I should be back to full strength.